ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमः भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवते उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th Canto, Chapter 2, Prayers by the Demigods. Text 34. Sattvam Visuddham Sayate Bhavan स्थितौ शरीरिणां श्रेय उपायनं वपुः वेद क्रिया योग तपः समाधिभिस्तवार्हणं येन जनः समीहते। सत्वं विशुद्धं श्रयते भवान् स्थितौ शरीरिणां श्रेय उपायनं वपुः वेद क्रिया योग तपः समाधिभिः तवार्हणं येन जन समीहते। सत्वं विशुद्धं शयते भवान् स्थितौ शरीरिणां श्रेय उपायनं वपुः वेद क्रिया योग तपः समाधिभिः तवार्हणं येन जन समीहते। सत्वं existence, Visuddham transcendental, beyond the three modes of material nature. Shrayate accepts, Bhavan your lordship, Sthitau during the maintenance of this material world, Sharirinam of all living entities, Shreya of supreme auspiciousness, Upayanam for the benefit, Vapuhu a transcendental form or body, Veda Kriya by ritualistic ceremonies according to the directions of the Vedas, Yoga, by practice of devotion. Tapa, by austerities. Samadhi, by becoming absorbed in transcendental existence. Tava, your. Arhanam, worship. Yena, by such activities. Jana, human society. Samihate, offers its obligations unto you. Translation and purport by divine grace अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद जी के द्वारा श्रील प्रभुपाद की Translation. O Lord, during the time of maintenance, you manifest several incarnations, all with transcendental bodies, beyond the material modes of nature. When you appear in this way, you bestow all the good fortune upon the living entities by teaching them to perform Vedic activities, such as ritualistic ceremonies, mystic yoga, austerities, penances, and ultimately samadhi, ecstatic absorption in thoughts of you. Thus you are worshipped by the Vedic principles. Purport. As stated in Bhagavad Gita 18.3, Jagya dana tapah karma na tyajyam. The Vedic ritualistic ceremonies, charity, austerity, and all such prescribed duties are never to be given up. Jagya danam tapaschaiva pavanani munishinam. 18.5. Even one who is very much advanced in spiritual realization must still execute the Vedic principles. Even in the lowest stage, the karmis are advised to work for the sake of the Lord. Jagyarthat karmano anyatra lokayam karma bandhana. Work done as sacrifice for Vishnu has to be performed, otherwise work binds one to this material world. Bhagavad Gita 3.9. The words Jagyarthat karmana indicates that while performing all kinds of duties, one should remember that these duties should be performed to satisfy the Supreme Lord. So karmana tam abhyarchya. According to the Vedic principles, there must be divisions of human society, Chaturvarnamaya system. There should be Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras, and everyone should learn to worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Tam abhyarchya. This is real human society. And without this system, we are left with animal society. The modern activities in human society are described in Srimad Bhagavatam as the activities of Gokhara, cows and asses. So eva Gokhara, everyone is acting in a bodily concept of life involving society, friendship and love for the improvement of economic and political conditions, and thus all activities are enacted in ignorance. The Supreme Personality of Godhead comes to teach us how to act according to the Vedic principles. In this age of Kali, the Supreme Personality of Godhead appeared as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and preached that in this age the Vedic activities cannot be systematically performed because people are so fallen. He gave this recommendation for the Shastras, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam kalau nasteiva gatiranyatha. In this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, the only means of deliverance is chanting the holy name of the Lord. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. The Krishna consciousness movement is therefore teaching people all over the world how to chant the Hare Krishna mantra, and this thus has proved very much effective in all places, all times. The Supreme Personality of Godhead appears in order to teach us Vedic principles intended for understanding Him. Vedaisya sarvair ahameva vedya. We should always know that when Krishna and Lord Chaitanya appeared, they appeared in Shuddha Sattva bodies. One should not mistake the body of Krishna or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to be a material body like ours. For Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared as needed for the benefit of the entire human society. Out of causeless mercy, the Lord appears in different ages in his original Shuddha Sattva transcendental body to elevate human society to the spiritual platform upon which they can truly benefit. Unfortunately, modern politicians and other leaders stress the bodily comforts of life. Yasyatma buddhi kunopetri dhatuke, and concentrate on the activities of this ism, that ism, which they described in different kinds of flowery language. Essentially, such activities are the activities of animals. So eva go kharaha. We should learn how to act from Bhagavad Gita, which explains everything for human understanding. Thus we can become happy even in this age of Kali. Om Ajnanaatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurunmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurubhe Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Sopadantikam Vande Aham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanitam Tang Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Visakha Nitanscha Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatarine Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namine Gauratise Namaha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyasya Kripa Sindhu Bhevacha Patitanang Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Sivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Sattvam Visuddham Srayate Bhavan Sthitau Sharirinam Seyopayanam Vapuhu Veda Kriya Yoga Tapa Samadhibhis Tabarhanam Yena Jana Samihate. O Lord, during the time of maintenance, you manifest several incarnations, all with transcendental bodies beyond the material modes of nature. When you appear in this way, you bestow all good fortune upon the living entities by teaching them to perform Vedic activities such as ritualistic ceremonies, mystic yoga, austerities, penance, and ultimately samadhi, ecstatic absorption in thoughts of you. Thus you are worshipped by the Vedic principles. So in previous verse, the demigods, they offered their prayer to the Supreme Lord that about the glories of the devotees and devotional service. And in this verse particularly, they are glorifying the Supreme Lord. Jai Shri Shri Gaur Nitai ki jai, Krishna Balaram ki jai, Radha Syama Sundar, who appeared in this material world millennium after millennium, or in so many incarnations, because Lord Vishnu took the responsibility of maintaining the creation. Brahma creates, Vishnu maintains, and Lord Shiva annihilates everything. So, in order to maintaining this creation, Lord take many incarnations. Why he take incarnations? Paritranaya, sadhunang, vinasaya cha duskrita. To protect the devotees and annihilate the miscreants. He accepts so many incarnations, and as Sukadeva Goswami mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam about 24 principal incarnations. Then he told, Ete changsa kalapungsa krishnastu bhagavan swayam. All these incarnations, they are either the persons or planetary persons, kala, of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, but Lord Sri Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead himself. Krishnastu bhagavan swayam. Prabhupada told in purport, similarly Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also the Supreme Personality of Godhead. All other incarnations, they appear their incarnations, but Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are Supreme Personality of Godhead. They are not avatar, they are avatari. All incarnations come from them. Sava avatar sarasiromani kevala anandakanda. So that's why whatever the teaching, the different incarnations come to teach this Jagya Dana Tapaha Karma. So they come, like in Satya Yuga we see the Yuga Dharma was tapasya, austerity. So who teaches the principle? We are going to Dham for Satya Yuga, Badrikashram. Narayana Rishi, Narayana himself. His Narayana Rishi is he teaching this, how to meditate. There is Yuga Dharma for Satya Yuga. Tretaya there is Jagya. Kritecha Dhyayata Vishnu, Tretayang Jajate Mukhahi. So that's why in that age, even Lord Ramchandra himself performed so many Jagyas. Even he, after sending Sita to Valmiki Ashram, but he performed so many Jagyas, keeping statue of Sita beside. Even Vamanadev also, he performed Jagya. When he came, he just appeared as a brahmachari, then he performed Jagya. Then he went to the Jagya arena of Bali Maharaj to ask for some charity. Anyhow, similarly in Dwapara, Yuga Dharma was deity worship. Lord Krishna, he adhered to his grandson, or by his sanction of Krishna, even Vajranav, the great grandson of Krishna, he established so many deities, deity worship in Braja, about more than 20 deities. Madana, Mohana, Govinda, Gopinath, they are all installed by Vajranav, even the Srinathji, many principal deities. And in this age of Kali, what is the Yuga Dharma? Harinama Sankirtanam. So three Yugas, there are three Dham, Badrikashram, Tretaya there is Rameswaram, Dwapara there is Dwarka, and in this age of Kali, Jagannath Puri is the Dham. But Lord Chaitanya appeared in Navadip. So then he come to Jagannath Puri after taking sannyas, then he preached. From there he started his preaching preaching mission. He went to South India and then he preached the glories of holy name. Then he told Hare Nama, Harernamaiva Kevalam, Kalo Nastaiva, Gatiran. There is no other way, there is no other way, there is no other way. This is the preaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached. Jagge Sankirtan, that is the verse where is it mentioned that about the appearance of Lord Chaitanya? In Bhagavatam himself, 11th canto. Krishna Varnam, Tvesa Krishnam, Sanga Panga, Astra Parsadam. Jagge Sankirtana Prayir Jajantihi Sumedhasa. Though many other commentators, they wrote this verse, some commentators that wrote this verse is meant for Ramachandra in Tretaya. Because it is Mahapurusha Stuti coming in this way. Some commentators of Bhagavatam, they told. But Jiva Goswami told this verse for mentioning about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is Krishna Varnam, he is to the Krishna Varnam, he is chanting always Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. In this age, he is chanting always Krishna's name. Tisa a Krishna, though he is in blackish in color in generally, but in this incarnation, a Krishna. He accepted the color of Radharani, Radha Bhava Subalita Tanu. The mood of Radharani and also bodily color of Radharani. Tisa Krishna, Sanga Panga Astra Parsadam. He not appeared alone. With him, his associates, who? His three of them are in Vishnu Tattva. Who? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, and Advaita Acharya. And there is also Gadadhar Pandit, his Sakti, Bhakta Sakti, and Bhakta, who? Narada Muni, Srivas Thakur. Sanga Astra, what is Astra? Jiva Goswami told that his Astra is his own beauty. His beauty is his. But this Astra is also Hare Krishna Mahamantra. They said that is like Narayana Astra for this age of Kali, to defeat influence of Kali. You chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama, Hare Hare. Sanga Panga Astra Parsadam, Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, Jibe Daya Kari, So Parsada, Siyo Dhama Saha Avatari. Atyanta Durlabha Prema Karibare Dana, Sikhai Saranagati Bhakatero Prana. This is the Bhakatero Prana, the life and soul of devotees, the Sankirtan movement. So, though Lord Chaitanya and his associates, they started this Sankirtan movement, chanting the holy name of the Lord. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave instructions to the Goswamis, his own disciples, to write literatures. So that's why Goswami is in Vrindavan. And Jiva Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, they are from one family, and others, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Raghunath Bhatta, and Raghunath Das. So they also compiled so many literatures. This is the basis of Krishna consciousness. Books are the basis. So they compiled so many literatures. So even they are the great Bhajananandis. Goswami is also known as they are Bhajananandis. But still, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, who is the greatest of all Bhajananandis, he compiled Chaitanya Charitamrita and Govinda Lilamrita, the topmost literatures of Gaudiya Sampradaya. Still he told, Prana achi jar sehetu prachar. In the beginning of Chaitanya Charitamrita, he told, if he have someone has life, then he has to preach. That is the symptom of that someone is living entity. So that's why we see those true Bhajananandis, they are also encourage preachings. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and also Jiva Goswami, he organized the first Sankirtan party. Who was the first Sankirtan devotee? Srinivas Acharya, Narottama Das Thakur, and Shyamananda Pandit. They are not new bhaktas, they are not sadhana, so they are even eternal associates, nitya siddhas. They are manjaris. After realizing their swarup, everything, as Jiva Goswami knows, that Narottam Das Thakur is a great devotee. He is incarnation of Krishna Prema. He is a Champaka Manjari. He is Mani Manjari, who there is Srinivas Acharya. And Shyamananda Prabhu also got the direct mercy from Radharani. She is also a Manjari, but still he gave. Jiva Goswami told, take these literatures. It's compiled by the Goswamis. Then you have to go for preaching. And this is the first Sankirtan party. There is bullock carts. They are not Sankirtan buses like now, not so such facilities. So they are carrying the books with bullock cart, and it was stolen in the Bana Vishnupur in the border of Bengal and Bihar. Yes, but later on Srinivas Acharya recovered the books. So in this way we see Sankirtan means also Harinam Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. But our Acharyas like Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur gave the name to this Sankirtan book distribution as Brihat Mridanga. Even Srila Prabhupada. They told this is also Sankirtan, distributing books. Everyone comes to in Kartik month or in all other times, come to Radha Kund. For what? Radha Kund is place of bhajan. They come to do their bhajan, they want to bhajananand this day. But it is the bank of Radha Kund, where Srila Prabhupada was advised by Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. What? Abhay, you have money? Print books. He took a plain paper and he drew the picture of Mridanga and Kartal. Then he printed a book, and this picture is still on BBT of his book. He told, by this Mridanga Kartal, by playing this Mridanga Kartal, how many people can we bring in Krishna consciousness? How it Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's message, if you want to preach, and if you want to please Krishna, in Gita, Krishna told, you have to preach this message of Bhagavad Gita. But he told, no bhaktaya kadachan, don't do this to, jaimang paramanguhyang mad bhaktya vidhasyati. But same Krishna came as a devotee, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he told, jare dekho tare kaha Krishna upadesh. Amar agyaye guru haya tarai des. This is the message of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you want to please Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then what you have to do? You have to distribute Bhagavad Gita. This is Krishna's message. So that's why Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, it is in the bank of Radha Kund, he advised his dear disciple, Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhu. That time he was Abhay Babu. He told, if you have money, Prabhupada was asking, Guru Maharaj, how can I serve you? You have so many educated disciples, we have sannyasis, brahmacharis, but I am a grahastha, I am fallen soul. Still, please advise me, how can I serve you? Like other times, same message. Abhay, if you have money, then print books and distribute these books. This is Brihat Mridanga, Sankirtan. In Prabhupada Nectar, you see, it's compiled with Satsvarup Das Goswami Maharaj. He wrote there. What Prabhupada told? Harinam Sankirtan is Sankirtan. Of course, Harinam chanting should going on, but still, book distribution is the better chanting. Specifically in the coming month, is coming marathon month. This is the Sankirtan. You have to distribute books to please Lord Gauranga. Gauranga Mahaprabhu pleased. There may be so many acharyas, but we have to follow our immediate acharyas, Srila Prabhupada and Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. They gave so much importance for distributing Prabhupada books, distributing books in this, for the benefit of the peoples in this age of Kali. This is the message of Mahajanas. Mahajana jana gatasya pantha. Even we see other Mahajans, what they gave message. Like we see Mahajans, there is 12 Mahajans, and one of them is Prahlad Maharaj. What is the message by Prahlad Maharaj? Prayena deva munaya svabhimukti kama maunam charanti vijane na parartha nishtha naitan vihaya kripanan vimumukhya eko nanyam todasya saranam brahmata nupasye. My dear Lord Nrsingadev, I see that there are many saintly persons indeed, but they are interested only in their own deliverance, not caring for the big cities and towns. They go to the Himalayas or the forests to meditate with vows of silence, Mauna Vrata. They are not interested in delivering others. As for me, however, I do not wish to be liberated alone. Leaving aside all these poor fools and rascals, I know that without Krishna consciousness, without taking shelter of your lotus feet, one cannot be happy. Therefore, I wish to bring them back to shelter at your lotus feet. This is the Prabhupada's purport. This is the decision of the Vaishnava, the pure devotee of Lord. For himself, he has no problems, even if he has to stay in this material world, because his only business is to remain in Krishna consciousness. The Krishna conscious person can go even to hell and still be happy. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj said, Naiva dije para durataya vaitirannanya. O best of the great personalities, I am not at all afraid of material existence. The pure devotee is never unhappy in any condition of life. This is confirmed in Srimad Bhagavatam. Narayana parasarve na kuschana vibhaschati kaschana swarga pavarga narakesu api tulyarthadarshina. Devotees solely engaged in the devotional service of Supreme Personality of Godhead, Narayana, never fear any condition of life. For them, the heavenly planet, liberation, and the hellish planets are all the same. For such devotees are interested only in the service of the Lord. For a devotee, being situated in the heavenly planets and being in a hellish planet are equal. For a devotee lives neither in heaven nor in hell, but with Krishna in the spiritual world. The secret of success for the devotee is not understood by karmis and jnanis. Karmis therefore try to be happy by material adjustment, and jnanis want to be happy by becoming one with the Supreme. The devotee has no such interest. He is not interested in so-called meditation in the Himalayas or the forest. Rather, his interest is in the busiest part of the world, where he teaches people Krishna consciousness. The Krishna consciousness movement was started for this purpose. We do not teach one to meditate in secluded place just so that one may show he has become a very much advanced and may be proud of his so-called transcendental meditation. Although he engages in all sort of foolish materialistic activity, a Vaishnava like Prahlad Maharaj is not interested in such a bluff of spiritual adjustment. Rather, he is interested in enlightening people in Krishna consciousness, because that is the only way for them to become happy. Prahlad Maharaj says clearly, Nanyam tvad asya saranam bhamata anupasye. I know that without Krishna consciousness, without taking shelter of your lotus feet, one cannot be happy. One wanders within the universe, life after life, but by the grace of a devotee, a servant of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, one can get the clue of Krishna consciousness and then not only become happy in this world, but also return home back to Godhead. That is the real target in life. The members of Krishna consciousness movement are not at all interested in so-called meditation in the Himalayas or the forest, where one will only make a show of meditation, nor are they interested in opening many schools for yoga and meditation in the cities. Rather, every member of Krishna consciousness movement is interested in going door to door, try to convince people about the teachings of Bhagavad Gita as it is, the teachings of Lord Chaitanya. That is the purpose of Hare Krishna movement. The members of the Krishna consciousness movement must be fully convinced that without Krishna, one cannot be happy. Thus, the Krishna conscious person avoids all kinds of pseudo-spiritualists, transcendentalists, meditators, monists, philosophers, and philanthropists. So, this is the message of Srila Prahlad Maharaj and Prabhupada, the great associate of Lord Chaitanya, Vasudeva Datta. He gave the same message. He asked Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when Mahaprabhu asking for boon to different devotees, then Vasudeva Datta told, "Oh Lord, please give me this boon. I want to accept the sinful reactions of all the living entities in 84 species, 84 lakh species. Then I want to suffer for this, maybe up to annihilation. I will go on suffering, but please make other living entities, conditioned souls, free from this suffering of birth, death, and old age, disease." So this is then the tears come from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's eyes. He told, "What you ask me?" So that's why Prabhupada told, what is essence? ISKCON, his books are the basis, preaching is the essence. But how can one preach? Purity is the force. One has to read books, Prabhupada books, and follow the regularity principles and morning programs, then you got purity. Purity is the force. And utility is the principle. To learn everything to utilize for the service of Krishna. So, that's why preaching movement, this is, Vaishnava has two types, Goshthanandis and Bhajananandis and Goshthanandis. So, this movement, ISKCON is for the Goshthanandi Vaishnavas. Even true Bhajananandis, they also like, and they encourage preaching, like Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Even two Bhajananandis, Gaur Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, few days before we observed his disappearance, and he always glorifies his disciple. Who? Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. He told, "My Prabhu, our Prabhu," he have been addressed him as Prabhu. Whatever activities, he always glorified. Distributed Prabhupada, even Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur also, sometimes his disciples told, Guru Maharaj, you are such a Goshthanandi preacher, but your Guru did not preach anything. He told you to not to go to Calcutta. But Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur told, he told not to go to Calcutta means not to go to Maya. He did not tell me not to preach. Even he told, whatever I am doing, it is only because I am connected with him in parampara. That's why this, in a torch without battery cannot give light. Even a boat cannot walk on the water without battery or without diesel. Similarly, we are parampara, so but the true Bhajananandis, they also encourage preaching. So, we must meditate this. This is the secret how to please parampara, how to please Srila Prabhupada and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you cannot please Guru and Krishna, what is the value? So, this is the secret of preaching. One sannyasi was performing Chaturmasya in Mayapur. Prabhupada came to Mayapur, then they asked, where is that particular sannyasi? Call him. Then he came, he paid obeisance. Other devotee told he is performing Chaturmasya. Prabhupada is not eating. Then Prabhupada told, yes, this sannyasi, take this Mahaprasad. He was accepting Radha Madhav's Rajbhog. Told, take. And he told Prabhupada, he is hesitating, I am performing Chaturmasya. Prabhupada told, what benefit you will get by performing this Chaturmasya Vrata? I can give you 10,000 more times more benefit by simply putting my feet on your head. So this is Prabhupada. So this is preaching movement. So we should try our best to read Prabhupada books and teach them. Preaching is the essence. This is the marathon month is coming. So everyone's duty to concentrate on this. And even in Juhu, we see all the other temples, we see the pujaris giving books from the altar. Even, so preaching is the essence. Hare Krishna. Last marathon we saw in Pune. Pune was the first number in marathon last. Neither Delhi nor Mayapur. Even Pune devotees, because they just concentrate on this. Radheshyam Prabhu alone distributed 900 Bhagavatam set alone. And others they distributed 3,65,000 Bhagavad Gita. Impossible is a word lies in fool's dictionary. This Prabhupada used to say. If you will try with determination, utsahat nischaya dharjyat, tat karma pravartanat sangatyagat swatoh vrute sadbhir bhakti. This is the message of Acharya Rupa Goswami. Okay, I stop here. Hare Krishna. Any question or comment? Yes.
आपने बहुत बढ़िया क्लास दिया महाराज, हमको थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स महाराज बताइए कि जिससे हम प्रैक्टिकली बुक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर सकें.
Practically, you want to distribute books. Many book distribution stories. If you distribute books, even if someone offend you, then he also become a devotee. Many stories. In France, there was a Mataji, Indradevani Maharaj died, you can see one devotee in France was distributing books. One ladies was going to trains to the bus and distributing. So one time he went to the train, he saw the books to a man, he was a demon. Just took the books, throw it on the floor, Bhagavad Gita. So devotee could not do anything. What to do now? Just taking books. Then he again snatched it, throw it. Then this just took on his shoulder and kick her out of the train. The book of Bhagavad Gita was down and full everywhere. So this one servant with this man. So a servant at least took these books and in a handkerchief just tied the books and took it. Because he offended to a devotee, gradually his wife was died. His daughter has an accident. He was loving his wife so much, he was thinking, I have lost everything. Sunyaitam jagat sarvam. So I was thinking I have to commit suicide. Definitely I have to give up this life. But somehow he saw few pages. Bhagavad, what is this inside this handkerchief? He took few pages and read. Then he told, oh, I am not this body, I am soul. My wife was not a body, my body was soul. Then he got so much courage. He did not commit suicide. Later he saw the address from this book and he come to the ISKCON temple. Then ISKCON temple was in a great financial crisis, and that man gave a big donation. He was very financially very rich person. Give a big donation to the temple. Then gradually he start come to every Sunday. Then he become a devotee. Then the temple gave the account department finance job to him. And whenever there is financial crisis, this man he was giving always from his pocket to temple. After 1 year there was Jagannath Rath Yatra. Then he come to the Jagannath festival, this Rath Yatra festival. Then that Mataji with books also came there for this. Then she was looking to this man. The same man, how tilak, how kanthi? Then the man was telling, yes, started crying. Yes, I am the same demon. Because of your mercy, I become a devotee. If you offend to a devotee, also you can become devotee. So distributing books, this is great, and there's many stories. Book distribution, Vaisheshik Prabhu. He wrote this book distribution is our family business. Our temple president Panchagoda Prabhu, he goes twice for book distribution marathon, summer marathon and also winter marathon. This year maybe before this corona here. So this is, if you want to please Prabhupada, the famous statement you know. If you want to please me, distribute my books. Because this is the order of his Guru Maharaj to him, to preach this book and distribute books. So please try according to our ability, strength. Pran achi jar se hetu prachar. If you are a living being, then you have to preach. Whatever benefit you will get by scrutinizing, reading the Shastras, all these things, they are three siddhas. By one you can become a Nitya Siddhi, you are maybe from spiritual world, a Nitya Siddha, or Sadhana Siddha, or Krupa Siddha. Which one you like? Krupa. How can you get Krupa? If you follow a Vaishnava. Chadiya Vaishnava Seva, Nistara Paicheka. Who is that being who got delivered from this material world without the mercy of a Vaishnava? So that's why if you want to get mercy from Srila Prabhupada, then you have to reach at least this marathon. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki, book distribution marathon ki jai. Hare Krishna.